You will now hear a series of intentions or sankalpas. These are positive statements to direct your mind towards aligning with meaningful purpose in your life. As you listen to these positive messages, hear the words and feel their intention. Feel the resolve of the words as if they were already true. Believe they are already happening. Magnify the essence of the intention by perhaps repeating it silently to yourself, especially when you recognize the words are important and relevant to you. I am here to share my unique gifts with the world. I see life through a filter of positivity. I open my awareness to infinite possibilities. I believe in myself and that what I have to offer is of value. My true potential revitalizes me. I am confident in my talents and share them willingly. My unlimited awareness overcomes all obstacles. I move forward with courage and confidence. I feel the beauty and power of the light that shines within me. I accept myself and others with kindness and compassion. As I follow my heart, I discover my destiny. My personal destiny has a positive impact on others. My true purpose in life is revealed to me every day. I am capable, calm, and confident about the future. enjoy a great sense of fulfillment and meaning in my life. My true self has unlimited creative power and integrity. I live a life of purpose, on purpose. I feel good about being alive and being me. I hope this meditation has brought you some clarity, or perhaps a sense of purpose. Please visit yogaresa.com for in-depth workshops and courses. Thank you for sharing this time with me. May you have a good day or evening, and I look forward to meditating with you again.